How to speak perfect English. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't think that learning English is too difficult. Everything can be mastered if you work hard and practice enough. You can speak wonderful English and have a perfect pronunciation. Um, if if you just remember that learning a foreign language takes time. Try to find a friend so that you can study and practice together. Don't bother worry about your mistakes. You check with charming voice and pronunciation.